Riri muingi uthiete na mbere kumenyithio njira itiganite cia kwithema gutamba kwa homa ya COVID-19 aria monenetie dalili ici na makorio maikare micii matekubutania na andu ma family. Utheru wa gikiro kia iguru no umwe wa maundu maria marabatarania na kwithema na kubuthira indu ingibutio ni andu ma family ta iciko ona kana ikombe.
You are not supposed to share any of your toiletries, your utensils, things like toothbrushes. You should use your own. That is basically what self-quarantine is.
Kuona gukorwo na homa ya COVID tiguo muthia wa muturire na bekionania makiria ma andu 7,000 kuma mabururi matiganite ni mabonete. Ataramu maugite kuria matunda kwa wingi, kunyua mai, kuria irio iria ciagiriire na kunyua dawa no mama ma maundu maria mangiambatiria gikiro kia binya wa mwiri niguo kubota kuburana na homa ino.
In case that is not possible, then after each and every use of the toilet facilities, then you require decontamination, which you can easily be able to do with jik. You take 1 part jik, maybe 1 cup jik, 6 cups of water, and you can be able to use that to be able to clean the toilet.
Ona gutwika gukinyira riu homa ino itirironero kibonia, mwingi ni uthiete na mbere kubinyiririo kuiga utheru wa gikiro kia iguru, kwithemana na kundu kwina kirindi, o undu umwe na kumenyithia bonge cia ugitiri ndumiriri ya mundu umite bururi wa nja na ena dalili cia homa ino. Ngeribotera Inooro TV, Njĩtagwo Mercy Wandia wa Mũrĩithi.